what are the requirements for getting a joint sponsor or just having a sponsor for your application for that matter? And so the main requirements is that person, so they should know that this is a contract with the US government. So as any contract, you need to be above 18 to be enforced. And so they need to be over 18 and they need to reside in the United States. So these are the two fundamental requirements. And then of course, in addition to that, while they can be a sponsor, to be a good sponsor and one that's eligible to help you, they need to make above a certain threshold, which is typically above 125% of the HHS poverty guidelines, and those change every year. And unless they're in the military, and then it's 100%. Unless there's the person is active duty, and then it's only 100% of that requirement. And so that's kind of fundamentally what a sponsor could be. They don't have to be related or anything like that. They can be anywhere in the US. They don't have to live in your household or any of those other requirements. They do have to show proof that of last year, that they filed taxes. Preferably they have filed taxes for at least the last 3 years. They may or may not have assets. That's optional. So there you have it. That's your sponsor requirements. Thank you for watching.